Brother man, I just had my mic muted the whole time. I wanted uh no, that's really fucking annoying because I just explained what the hell's going on in this game. So basically, let me try and wrap this up fast. So basically, you play as a high performing student in high school who failed a maths test and got sent to the void, which is their high school, but it's all abandoned, disheveled, kind of like the upside down in Stranger Things. Um, and this game isn't. I'm not going to really have like this. I mean, I could have really good lore in this game, but it's more like symbolism. Like it's a out of. It's a weird idea that the student teleports to an abandoned school and then has to try and escape the nightmare uh, to get back to reality, and there's a black hole that chases you. It's a weird concept, but it's basically just symbolism. So when the high performing student fails a math test, they get sent to the void, and the void is kind of like symbolizes like their disappointment and their worries about expectations and all that, and oh, I'm such a failure and all that. Name of the game right here. Uh, but and then there's this black hole looking thing right here, which will suck you up if you get too close to it. And that symbolizes, the student giving up and like kind of falling to the school district a bit, like how school sort of reduces students to how well they can perform on a test rather than, other factors such as creativity and, just other stuff. Um, and then if you escape the nightmare, that's well, the void. Sorry, I keep calling it the nightmare. The void. If you escape the void, then it symbolizes that you realize that your worth is more than what you could do on a piece of paper. So I don't really know how I'm going to implement that into the game. This is a game jam, by the way. This I'll pull up the page. It's called the Escape 2024 Game Jam. 161 entries, 10 days, 9 hours, 40 minutes, and 6 seconds. Uh, but yeah, the theme is flow, whatever that means. So I guess like the gameplay will just like flow well. I don't know, like whatever. Um, but yeah, it's gonna be a horror game, and I'm gonna submit it to here and just have it in public, out in public, and I'll give you guys the link when I'm done. So yeah, I still got 10 days basically to do this. And there are also prizes, but they don't say what they are. I mean, it could be money, or it could be like a freaking chocolate or something. But I don't know. I think I've never done a game jam before, so I think it would be pretty cool if I have a real shot at this. So, anyways, enough yapping. Oh, by the way, hold up. Let me just combine this as one thing. This is the whole document I made yesterday. I'm not going to read through all that, so you guys can like, I'll just be quiet and like short scroll through it, so you guys can pause and read it if you want to for some reason. What? Okay. Yeah, there you go. All right, now let's actually get into the programming. But let me first show you guys what I have. So there's the basic player movement, um, look around, etc. The AI is here. See, you can see the black hole. See, it's chasing me, and you can hide from it in here. You can't really see, but basically what happens, see, I can just, oh yeah. So basically, yeah, if it gets too close to you, you get sucked in. And basically the suction, where it sucks objects around it up, is happens when it's chasing you. So otherwise that'd be a bit unfair. But yeah, so it will suck you up, and it will also suck up lockers. So I will try and show that. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make this a little slower because it's a bit too it's a bit too hard to escape it, kind of. Okay. Let's try and be careful here. There he is. So I'll try and get him to. I'm sure. Damn, he didn't get a single fucking locket. Damn. Alright, well, if I just. Yeah, see. If I move him like that, then he will suck it up. But, yeah, so. Maybe I'll just decrease the suction distance in the. Yeah, here. 10 meters. Alright. So what was I gonna do? So this is a high school setting. I have the functionality where you can hide in lockers, as I showed you. Um, but obviously in a school, there's gonna be classrooms and other rooms, so there needs to be a door script. So I'll probably work on that. The AI, in my opinion, pretty much done. Like, doesn't really need that much more. But the only thing I want to fix is if you get spotted by it, like the way you can outrun it, but you have stamina, and when you run out, you'll walk and you walk slower than it. So you would have to try and get into a locker. But if it sees you going in a locker, then it knows you're there and it'll just kill you anyway. But if you like say break line of sight and then hide in a locker, then you should be good. But that will come later because I want to make a door script. So, let's do it. I'm just gonna drag in I'm gonna make an empty game object and call this door. We'll reset its parameters here. And I'll give this like an origin visualization point so we can see where how the door will rotate, basically. I know I don't really make much sense, but you know. Okay, by the way, it's raining here and it's pretty epic. Alright, so just scale it up. So the scale, like the real world scale, is not accurate at all, but it's fine, whatever. Okay, I think that's perfect. So now, yeah, see, it's like door like that. Remove the box collider, and we're gonna have it on this door thing here. So, you know, the rigid body can. Wait, I didn't get rid of it. What? So it can detect where you're looking at and you interacting with the door, basically. No way, I got one concurrent viewer. I wonder who it will be. That's if they leave a comment. No pressure though. So we'll add a box collider. By the way, guys, this whole process is going to be made into a video when the game jam is done, and I'll show you guys the finished game. And yeah, I'll edit it and make it into like a cool little video you guys would usually see in like I made a game in 48 hours, etc. But for me, it's 11 days because that's how long the game jam is. Okay, so now we gotta adjust this box collider here. So I'll scale it down on the z-axis. Oh, we could just like I could just edit it like this. That's way easier. Oh damn, the viewer left. Unfortunate. Okay, there we go. Door. The door's pretty much ready to go. So now um, it's kind of. Wait, let's see it is about size 3 meters tall. Yeah, that's not right, obviously. See, we can see the size comparison here. So let's just scale it down. More. I don't know why I need to worry about this. Why I'm worrying about this now. This is like the early stages, you know, getting the basic code done, and then I can do the other stuff, the polish and the map as soon as I finish all this. Wait, why can't? There we go. All right, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is make a new script. Door. I reckon it is getting a bit late, but I will try and get the door script done before I go to bed. So door. Okay, make a header, and we'll call this, oh my gosh, lag, main references, and we need a reference to the camera game object. Wait, no, we just use transform. Transform camera holder. And then we'll make another header. We'll just call it like values or something. Door values. Alright, serialize field. Private float. Door open duration. And serialize field. Private float. Door open distance. We'll probably need a whatever, we'll come back to that. Update. So we'll just get raycast hit. All as hit is physics dot raycast on the camera holder's position. Camera holders where the forward vector, which is where they're looking at, where you're looking at. Out hit, get the and the distance. That's right. Door open distance. So here we go. If I think we might need a variable of bool open status. So if as hit and hit dot collider dot game object equal to game object. So the door, the door we're trying to open, and it's not open. Hang on, I'm just gonna change this to is open and not is open. Then oh yeah, that's right. Just I don't know. What do I call the header? Door stuff. I don't know. Door information, sure. Alright, and then serialized field, private key code, interact key. Alright, and input dot get key down, interact key. Then we want to execute this, so we'll make a private void I'm just thinking. Alright, IE numerator. Oh, yeah, okay, now we need vectors, so I'll make a serialized field, private, vector 3 door open rotation, and then another vector 3 close rotation. Alright, and then in start, or awake actually, we'll set close rotation to its current rotation, so transform dot we use Euler angles, or should I use quaternions? I don't know. We'll just use it will use Euler angles. Fuck, I don't know. Can I do transforms or rotation dots? Nah, it just doesn't work like that. Does that work? Wait, what? You Gosh, I guess my brain just doesn't really work as well at this time. Whatever, we'll just use default Euler angles. But the problem is that it doesn't really like negative stuff. Frick, man. We'll just do quaternion. Yes, yeah, okay, I think I figured it out. Alright, yes. Transform dot rotation. And then, open rotation. I don't know, call it modifier. And then we'll make another quaternion. Quaternion, open rotation. And then in start, we'll set open rotation to close rotation plus quaternion dot Euler open rotation modifier. Wait, am I retarded? Oh yeah, we have to times this, that's right. I don't know why, but well, let's just test this out. So transform to rotation is equal to open rotation. Alright. And this will be the main test. What do you want? Oh, whoops. We'll just delete that for now. Okay, go away. Nice. So, the door script. So, we've got to set some variables here. So, camera holder. Bang. Open door. This stuff doesn't matter. Interact key. We'll just set that to E. And then the modifier. So, hold up. We'll just set it to 90 on the y-axis. So, let's see. Alright, sorry for the lack of commentary there. My parents just came into my room. But yeah, it works. So then we just gotta do this lerping behavior. So what I'll make is another quaternion. Quaternion is current rotation. And basically what it will do is it will check, we'll set that to the current rotation is equal to, I need some, let's give this some spaces for more readability. So current rotation is the closed rotation. So it will then check. Wait. Yes. So it will check what the current rotation is when you press E, and depending on what you press, it will either open and close it. So I gotta quickly wipe the dishes and put it away, and then I'll be back. So yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. I gotta go. So